Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Seagate external drive on Windows with SeaTools, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by connecting your Seagate external drive to your Windows computer. Ensure your computer is turned on and logged into your Windows account. Next, download SeaTools from the Seagate official website. Locate the SeaTools installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install SeaTools on your computer. Once the installation is complete, launch the SeaTools application. You should see a list of available drives. Identify your Seagate external drive from this list. If the drive does not appear, ensure it is properly connected and powered on. Click on your Seagate external drive to select it. Now, click on the Drive Information button. This will provide details about your drive and its current status. Next, navigate to the Verify section in SeaTools. Choose the appropriate test for your drive, like Short Drive Self-Test. Initiate the test by clicking on the Run Tests button. Wait for the test to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once the test is done, review the results for any errors. If errors are found, consider backing up your data immediately. To authorize the drive, click on the Other tab in SeaTools. Select Set Access Permissions from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to authorize the drive for usage on your system. Once completed, you should see a confirmation message. Close the SeaTools application after you finish. Your Seagate external drive is now authorized and ready for use on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.